How to know your goal in life. Much information is available on the internet regarding the various methods you can use to realize your goals. How to maintain motivation, keep your dreams in mind, and avoid letting failure and setbacks derail you. But all of that presumes that you already have goals you are keen to accomplish and know what you want from them. This is particularly true in the business world, where the culture of hustle and grind leads us to believe that there is always something we need to be doing right now. The trick of defining life objectives is to be genuine about who you are and what you truly desire from it. Everything comes into place once you focus on what you want rather than what you think you should desire. So, how can you establish worthwhile life goals and design a strategy to achieve them? What if you believe you need more life goals or the knowledge necessary to achieve them? I am Caden, with expertise in self-development and finance. In my channel, I will tell you different ways to invest money and become a better version of yourself. How do life goals work? Life objectives are what we desire to do and are considerably more significant than what we must do to exist. They influence our actions throughout the long term, as opposed to daily routines or short-term goals. They are not exactly a clinical concept, and there is no one psychological definition for them, but they assist us in deciding what we want to experience regarding our values. They can take also a variety of shapes because they are personal goals. However, they give us a sense of purpose and hold us responsible as we work toward achieving happiness and well-being, living our best lives. Creating life goals. Finding life objectives can seem like a difficult task, even overwhelming, according to some. That is not an offense. Many people, myself included at times, share these feelings. Brainstorming is the first step in the process, and a little bit of daydreaming and fantasy. You can follow these methods to create the finest life goals for yourself. Set up a worksheet for an idea dump. With a computer or a pen and paper in hand, take a seat. List a few areas in your life where you can make objectives, such as your health, relationships, profession, finances, hobbies, spirituality. Do a brain dump. Set a 30-minute timer and jot down as many ideas or life goals as you can in the areas you identified. How would you like to live? No concept is too huge, too minor, or ridiculous. You can alter them later, or write them all down for now. Reduce the finest suggestions. Reevaluate your list of life goals after waiting a day or two. Which ones are you most interested in? Which ones, despite their difficulty, make your heart race when you think about them? Your best option is those. Make a strategy of action. Make a broad outline of your steps to accomplish those life goals. How long can you expect it to take? What achievements or baby steps must you make to accomplish the larger objective? To stay on course, what must you do each week, month, and year? To set goals, consider your values. Your values and what matters most to you will guide the goals that motivate you the most. You may already be working on some of them since I've established specific objectives for my writing and am starting to restructure my coaching business. But after looking at my list, I'm not making much effort to make sure that I currently have enough laughing and fun in my life. So I should create a goal to discover more ways to play. Setting your goals entails create bite-sized goals. While the objective of become CEO by the time I'm 30 will probably set you up for failure, the goal of learn the skills I need for my next promotion sounds more doable. Make sure your goals are constructive. You should strive toward, not away from, what you want. Well, I don't want to be alone any longer. Already seems gloomy. I want to find a loving companion. Inspires. Be aware that your goals may alter as you work toward them. We frequently connect with new, more resonant goals as we develop and learn from the work we do to go toward our goals. Let's look at some examples of life goals to assist you in getting started on your thinking. Launch a business. A business opportunity will occasionally come to certain people's door. For others, it requires significant effort. However, there is good news. Launching a business is simpler than ever. You should set this as one of your top life objectives. Make a difference in the world. The fact that you are a part of the world changes it. There may be 7.8 billion people on the earth, but if you've ever appreciated the feeling of giving to a good cause, or seen someone smile after receiving a random act of kindness, you know that everyone matters. Contribute in your manner to making the world a better place. You may start a tiny nonprofit, plant some trees, or try to smile at least once a day. Earning $1 million. Although it is a reasonably lofty ideal, many business owners establish this as a financial objective. Owning one's own company, such as a drop-shipping store, consulting firm, or freelance business, is a famous life aspiration. You may decide how money is made, and how much of it, when you establish the guidelines for how your company operates. Generate a consistent passive income. Do you have nocturnal fantasies involving making money? Or taking in the growth of your financial account while enjoying a mojito on a Caribbean beach? You'll love passive income, often known as residual income. Building an internet business that doesn't require you to work around the clock is the most unusual approach to making this happen. This life goal can be achieved in a big way by selling online courses and other digital products. Possess your ideal home. There is more to your house than just 4 walls and a roof. One of the best life objectives you may have is to buy the ideal property because it gives you your small piece of heaven. Nothing is more soothing than finding the ideal location where you may feel safe and comfortable. Saving for the home of your dreams requires patience, but it's one of the best goals in life. You not only acquire a space to call your own, but you also start climbing the housing ladder. Drive your dream car. Your car is one of your most essential belongings, just like a house. Yes, it is available for your daily commute to work and supermarket runs. The flexibility to go on the open road and find great places comes with a car. Select your dream car, then begin daily contributions toward your new car. Bottom line is that our hearts sing when our ambitions draw on the beauty and vitality of our ideals. We are eager to begin working on them since we satisfy our needs. The solution to choosing a worthwhile objective lies within each individual's heart, aspirations, and the things they wish they could have more. What are your goals that you want to achieve in your life? Let's share your goal in the comments below.